guys, today we're gonna
I'm inside.
go outside for a bit. For sure.
You're blue.
No.
It's gonna be a 2-minute short.
Hello.
I don't know why I'm making a YouTube short, but it's literally 2 minutes long.
I think I'm a
So
guy.
I'm going to
yeah,
move.
Yeah, but whenever I go in the private lobby with
I'm in
somebody,
casual.
no.
I kind of want to go into the infection lobby.
What code we doing?
Come here.
I'm going further. What code?
You have to.
Huh? What's he doing?
I can almost touch the end.
Even the slide juke, I can juke.
Wait, I already
Let's go into an infection lobby.
KW.
Let's get out of here.
So let's double, double, double,
KW.
double fast. Double, double,
Get out of there,
double.
Green.
KW163.
So let's go to the infection lobby.
Right?
You did it.
Quick edit when I'm
Yeah, I'm up here.
infection lobby.
What the fuck? Bro, you're foxy. Yeah.
Really easy.
Okay. Infection lobby.
On your phone? Are you recording it for YouTube?
Good. Yo guys, what was the code?
Battle, battle, battle. The only person I need to get, the only people I need to get is just these two guys. It's quite hard with ice and stuff. Where are we looking? Battle, battle, yeah.
Respect my authority. You better respect my authority, Kai.
Oh, keep your mouth lips here.
Oh.
Respect my authority. Oh my god.
Let me get this guy.
Your boss. Right?
You little bitch, yeah. Bang, 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 bang. It's
Welcome back! Ice cream! La blah 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 blah. 6, 7, rainbow unicorn.
Bro, this guy's way too good. Maybe he's just too good.
Oh, how did you get up there? Oh, I'm on a rock. Don't tell me.
We need to get that guy as well.
Oh, shoot. No. Run. Dang, I don't We'll get to double
Bro, he's cheating. Bro, are you modding?
I'm so bad at the game.
Are you modding, bro? Not you.
Y'all suck as hell.
Not any of the lava monkeys are modded.
Modding?
It was just them guys.
What's modding?
Modding.
What's modding?
You don't know what modding is?
No. Yo, bear.
Fruit. It's this guy. Report that guy for modding.
Bear. I'm a bear. You're a bear.
Not modding, jeez.
This is better than you.
You're not better than me, bro. Listen to you, punk.
Yes, he is. Everyone in this lobby is better
Five
than you,
guys.
bro. Who's on that? Oh, shoot, I'm so cooked. Of course, the good players don't have to.
Bro, I'm literally behind my door.
So oh, come on. Crap. Oh, no, I messed up. Whoa. That's fine. I'm having a escape route, which is not very good.
I seen him.
Works.
I seen that guy.
Oh,
Report that guy for modding. Report Eric Cartman for modding, bro.
Good, it don't mean
bro,
they're
he just said
modding.
I'm
Holy
modding.
shit.
What? How am I modding? How
Because
exactly
someone's
am
good,
I
it
modding?
don't mean they're modding, brother.
Yo, you're modding. No,
Bro, I'm not.
get the name of the guy who's reporting everyone. Get the name of him.
Shit,
Me?
brother. I'm dog shit.
I was just kidding. I was just joking. Just joking.
No, I'm talking about that little kid saying 3 people. GG, man. Everyone,
Bro, I was literally just joking.
me for juking people. No, not you. I'm not talking about you.
Satisfied.
It's because that
Shoot.
kid is just bad at the games.
Thank God.
GG, bro.
GG's.
Like, he sucks at the game. That's why he has
GG's, bro. GG's.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, shoot.
Don't block the me, my tracking! Oh my god.
You need to teach him how to go and next he keeps on running.
Sheesh.
Oh my god.
Where, bro, looking?
Daddy.
Oh, man. How did he even touch me, bro?
I messed up real bad. Oh my god. Oh my god, did you? No. How is
Yes.
everyone
Wait. Wait, no, I didn't get him. I didn't get him. Oh, bro. Take it easy, bro. Anyway, guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm out.